start.
Hello, I'm Silver. Introduction to the Solar System. The Solar System is the gravitationally bound system of the Sun and the objects that orbit it, either directly or indirectly. Of the objects that orbit the Sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, with the remainder being smaller objects, the dwarf planets and small solar system bodies. It consists of 8 planets and a dwarf planet, revolve around the Sun. Do you know the order of planets? They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. A dwarf planet called Pluto. This is the mnemonic form of MVEMJSUN. They quote it as "My very educated mother just served us nachos." Haha, that's a great idea. Can you think how a very educated mother serves nachos? She can do everything. If you have changed the last words, it says, "My very educated mother just served us 9 pizzas. Pizza which begins with P, as a planet Pluto. You can try lots of mnemonics like JFMAMJJASOND, which belongs to the order of the month in a calendar, that is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. They are 12 months in a year. Now, back into the solar system. Suppose in general, any planet that orbits around the Sun will vary its speed. We consider that the path is slightly elliptical, and the Sun is slightly away from the center. If the distance between Sun and a planet is too far, the orbiting speed is slow. This identifies as a winter season from November to January. The Sun rises in the late morning and sets at early evening. The direction you have to consider is from east to west. And the seasonal change varies from north to south. Even if the Earth's axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees. Similarly, when both planet and the Sun come closer, the orbiting speed is little faster. This identifies as a summer season from April to September. The rest of them are the middle of seasons like autumn and spring. One from February and March is a spring, and the other from October, that is autumn. Lastly, you can notice that the sweeping of the first area is always equal to the second area or third area, and is also equal to time taken too. This is called a Kepler's law. You can learn from Miles Tails Prower in the other video. Our planet Earth takes a complete orbit of 1 year. This we take as a pivot planet. The first 2 planets Mercury and Venus takes a complete orbit in less than 1 year, and the rest of the other planets orbit in more than 1 year. Each and every planets have a various gravitational pull. If the planet is smaller in size, then there will be low gravitational speed, like a planet Moon, a part of an Earth. If the planet is larger in size like Jupiter, its gravitational speed is quite high. Solar systems can also have asteroids like a bigger piece of rocks. They can also have comets and stars too. As soon as you go away from the solar system at a distance of 27,000 light-years, you'll see a Milky Way galaxy, a hazy band of light seen in a night sky formed from stars that cannot be individually distinguished by the naked eye. Like the ones you watched the movie called Apollo 13 in 1995, as an example. Astronauts find everything going according to plan after leaving Earth's orbit. However, when an oxygen tank explodes, the scheduled moon landing is called off. Other related movies show a science fiction movie like Gravity 2013 film, Interstellar 2014 film, The Martian 2015 film. So, that is how the solar system we've learned about. Like, comment, and subscribe now.